For power, performance, ease of use, portability, and durability, the RIDGID Coleman K-60 SP sectional drain cleaning machine delivers. The K-60 SP sectional drain cleaning machine is the most powerful machine in its class. The K-60 SP provides the professional with a powerful yet compact machine for cleaning 1 1/4 inch to 4 inch drain lines. It can be operated with both 5/8 inch and 7/8 inch sectional cable. The K-60 SP is one of the safest machines to operate, even for beginners. The K-60 SP offers more cable torque than any other product in its class, giving you greater line cleaning capability. The K-60 SP has a 1/2 horsepower motor for greater line cleaning capability. The simple adjustment knob allows use of both 5/8 inch and 7/8 inch cable, adjusting in seconds and allowing for longer jaw set life. The K-60's power and safety combine for a winning combination. Press the clutch handle and it instantly engages the cable. Release the handle and the cable instantly stops rotating, preventing overrun that can kink or damage the cable and making the K-60 one of the safest machines to operate. The K-60 SP weighs just 41 pounds and features 2 ergonomically designed lifting points, allowing for easy carrying to the job. The rear handle makes it ideal for carrying it up ladders for roof work. Due to its small footprint, the K-60 SP takes up very little space in your service van or easily stores in the side bin of your typical septic truck. The K-60 SP is extremely easy to service and maintain. Simply remove 2 bolts to access the drive belt and the jaw set for cleaning and replacement. You can change or clean the jaw set and be back on the job literally within minutes. The K-60 SP is designed rugged to handle all types of blockages, including root infestations. A variety of tools and cutters complement the K-60 SP to get the toughest jobs done. Finally, the K-60 SP is built with the quality and dependability required to wear the RIDGID Coleman name and backed by the Ridge Tool lifetime warranty. So for power, performance, ease of use, portability, and durability, make the professional's choice. See your distributor about the RIDGID Coleman K-60 SP sectional drain cleaning machine.